Well, good afternoon. Who am I speaking with today?
This is Greg.
And Lisa McWhorter.
Well, hello there.
Hi.
I appreciate you doing this for us. So, what experiences were you having with the sun that required you to call us at Havana Shade?
Well, I think the morning part was because we have so much window exposure. The morning was a big part for either taking some of that morning light out or giving us an option to block part of it. That's a great thing. One of the great things about the shade is that you can get a partial block of the sun or a complete block. But we just like the privacy of it in the morning, so that with all this glass, we'd be able to run around the house and act a little younger.
I love it. Lisa, if you don't mind putting that down.
Sure. Yeah.
Now, as it comes down and you start to look out, how do you feel about your view and how it was explained to you? How we install, how our people were.
So, yeah, we were, worried at first, like, oh, is it gonna, block the view once it comes down? But you can actually see everything still, the beauty of the backyard with it completely down. And everything was explained great. I mean, that's why we got it, is because we knew that it would be something that we wanted, and needed. And like I said, at night too, Greg mentioned the morning, but even in the evening when it comes down, you feel a little more protected, from, the outside. And even the elements with the weather here, because the weather gets a little nuts. So we just kind of feel like it protects the house even more. And we didn't even know that until we had it installed, and then we've just been enjoying it. Yeah.
I think a big part too is the way Brad explained everything, Brad, that you explained to us. It turned out the way you explained it. And we've had a lot of building experiences that weren't that way. It was told one way, we experienced another, and then there were many revisions and do-overs in between. In fact, you guys were so great at this that the order was backed up a little bit. Nobody throws you a bone anymore, but your company actually extended the motor to a lifetime warranty because of that inconvenience. And Lisa and I were both saying, nobody does that in this day and age. So that was really appreciated. But the fact that we got what we asked for to the T was because of you, Brad. We appreciate that.
Yeah.
Well, I certainly thank you. Did you feel that it was all worth the wait?
Oh yeah, and
Absolutely.
the wait wasn't bad at all.
It goes faster than you think, doesn't it?
It does, and very much worth all of it.
It's the
Absolutely.
feature part of this window area when we drop it at night, creating another room, and everybody asks, and oh my gosh, where did that come from? Because the way you guys mounted it, you don't really even notice it until it drops.
That's wonderful. Do you mind dropping it the remainder of the way?
Yep, absolutely.
You talk about the view of it too during the day, as you described how much we'll be able to see out of it with the different densities. It turned out really good for that.
That is wonderful. Well, we are most grateful for your patience and your business, and you are going to be our customer of the month.
All right, thank
Thanks
you.
so much.